siya at ang kanyang Pure Foods PGA Giants naghahabol ng 20 puntos laban sa Welco Dragons.
This is the biggest lead of the ball game. Slowly but surely, etong Welco Dragons trying to put this ball game out of reach.
Kung nagtataka po kayo kung ba't wala si Ralimi, meron po siyang 4 na personal fouls. Miss again by Kirby Raimundo. Here's Ryan Aranya streaking down court. And Welco is looking to run every single time.
Tamo natin, itong Welco Dragons trying to snap their 5-game losing streak. And this is the way to go. They open up the game in the first quarter, tearing it up from the outside. Nung bumukas na yung depensa ng Pure Foods, eto third quarter na, inaatake naman yung loob. At lalong-lalo na kasi wala yung Ralimi dyan.
Yan na nga, no? At even from the outside, maganda rin ang shooting ng Welco Dragons. Ito ngayon si Ryan Aranya on the free throw line.
Averaging 7.9 points per ball game para dito sa Welco Dragons. Misses on his first week. Uy, may...
Tingnan natin, may balasa sa sahig para sa Pure Foods.
Parang may tinagay yung
Kirby Raimundo and Ryan Aranya for a verbal altercation.
may tinaga yung referee.
Si Kirby at si Ryan Aranya.
Alam naman natin, si Ryan Aranya, isa din sa mga specialty niya yan, yung mga asar. Ultimo si Cardona na isa sa mga pinakamatalik na kaibigan niya. Nakakaaway niya sa basketball court.
Talagang pag mainit talaga ang labanan, nag-iinit rin ang mga emosyon ng mga players. As Ryan Aranya prepares to shoot another free throw.
So double technical yung tinawag sa kanila doon. Aranya and Raimundo, so they gotta watch it from this point on. Raimundo's back on the bench as Aranya knocks in his second free throw. Yun yung doon sa foul na nakuha niya.
At si Ralimi pinasok na rin sa loob ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Dahil na, ito na, lumobo bigla ang lamang ng Welco Dragons.
Ryan can't afford to have this game slip away in the third quarter. Kaya naman binalik na niya sa Ralimi.
Ralimi fading away.
He will pick up the third foul on Marquise Gaines.
Alright, so ito si Ralimi will try to make up for lost time dahil matagal-tagal nga siya nakaupo sa bangko. So foul trouble.
6 points together with 10 rebounds so far para dito kay Reda Ralimi.
Well, if Pure Foods wants to get back in this ballgame, they really have to look at Ralimi inside. I don't think anybody can match up once he gets the ball inside the paint.
Kung hindi man makagawa ng todo ito si Ralimi, at least put Marquise Gaines in foul trouble just as well. 19-point ball game, 68-49.
There's Corey Santi. Screen ni Wainwright. Wainwright, titikada na naman ng tres. Another key and tres for Rob Wainwright.
Apat na yan para kay Wainwright. 16 big points in this ball game.
The average is not catching up with the Welco Dragons. Matuloy ang kanilang magandang shooting from the outside. Ito na ngayon, Peter Jutsimon hindi mababawi. Rebound battle, kanino mapupunta ang foul? Ryan Aranya. Natawagan ng loose ball foul at nasa penalty na nga po itong Welco Dragons. So Ralimi will shoot back to the line.
Ito yung hinahanap mo, no? Maging aggressive talaga ito si Ralimi. Pero yung free throw line talaga dito sa Tubod, Lanao del Norte, hindi pumapabor para dito sa Pure Foods.
Ang dami na nga nilang namimintis from the free throw line.
Sandamakmak na ang naimintis. None of two para
Kagtagan
dito
mo pa yung lamakmak na yan. Ito ngayon, Corey Santi. Making a screen ni Ganos, Sandy back to Ganos from the outside. An open look para kay Martinez. You know, if you're really playing catch-up, you cannot afford to give open looks on the offense para sa kalaban mo.
30-second timeout.
San Gregorio will have to talk it over. 30-second timeout ay tatawag dito dahil naitawag na niya kanina yung full timeout niya.
And I think he sees lack of aggressiveness on the part of the Pure Foods TJ Giants, especially defensively. Dahil kanina pa sila napapast breakan itong Wellcoat. Maraming mga open looks silang binibigay. You know, it's really a step too slow itong Pure Foods TJ Giants.
The wing players, pag naikot yung bola, they don't exert that extra effort para habulin o guluhin man lang yung mga jump shots.
And even on that high screen, hindi na nga nagro-roll itong si Ganos. He's just
Nakatayo na lang.
flashing. Oh. He's just popping out and he's been hitting those open jumpers.
Gaines already with 16 points in this ball game. Pito dyan dito sa third quarter ginawa.
So, isang bangungot na naman to para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Parang kailan lang nung binangungot nga sila kontra naman sa Alaska Aces.
That was a 28-point blowout, 88-60 sa Linares Center in Antipolo City. That was just 2 games ago, right before that big Coca-Cola win, or win against Coca-Cola, man.
Ito, this will be free throw shooting time again para naman kay James Yap as Rob Wainwright gives up another foul.
That is the second personal of
That's
Rob
the second
Wainwright.
personal on Rob Wainwright.
Yun lang ang maganda dito, no? Nadala na nila sa penalty. Etong Wellcoat Dragons na maaga. So James Yap kanina, split charities. Tignan natin yun.
And he makes his first free throw, and Pure Foods faithful continuing to cheer on their idol.
Yun naman ang kagandahan sa ating PBA fans, no? Very knowledgeable. Alam nilang napakahaba pa ng oras dito. May isang buong quarter pang kasunod. So if they can cheer their team on to gain their confidence or help them gain their confidence, lalakas ang pag-asa ng team nila na manalo.
Ayan, no? James, this guy's in love with you, pare.
Love you, power, power. Ayan, nakagawa na nga ng nakaw kasi love siya ni power.
Cross-court pass. Chico Lanete, sumugod sa loob. He gets a layup. And after that timeout, ito, makikita nga natin, may full court press pa Pure Foods. And before some turnovers, trying to get some aggressiveness on their defense. Nako, hindi nakatingin kay James Yap, kaya sumugod. Iyaran niya, pero hindi pumasok yung kanyang layup.
We see a totally different rhythm being displayed by Pure Foods.
And Pure Foods showing us some signs of life here in this ball game as we segue to another timeout, mga kaibigan. Pero malaki-laki pa rin po ang hahabulin dito ng Pure Foods TJ Giants.